How to log out all devices in Brawl Stars. So of course the very first thing that you want to do is to log into your main account or to the main phone where you have logged in your Brawl Stars account the first time. Now once you have successfully logged in, this is very easy and very straightforward. What you want to do to know next if you have successfully logged in is to go directly to the three lines which is located at the top right portion of your screen. Tap on that and scroll down a bit till you find this option that says Supercell ID. Now simply tap on that and this is gonna be your main account. Now for you to be able to log out all of devices, what you want to need to do is to log out on the main device. Now you won't be able to access this if you're using a different device and that different device is not the first time that you're logging in on Brawl Stars. And once you're here, just simply tap on the gear icon. Scroll down to the bottom part of this page right here till you find the option that says Logout. Once you have successfully tapped on that, then all of your Supercell ID from Brawl Stars will automatically be logged out and will be asked to log into your main password again if you logged into another phone. And that's it. That's how you logged out of all devices on Brawl Stars.